Welcome to the channel, everybody. We are back at the shop. It's Wednesday afternoon. I want to give you an update on what's been going on. I didn't get here last night due to that one having a basketball game, but they were here. They got the bird cages on. They got all the oil and fuel system buttoned up, fan on, got the motor started. Everything's good to go there. Daryn got his seat mounted, so it's good to go. They got all the ignition swapped over from the Chevy to the Ford harness. Didn't have to modify the hood. That was all in the same spot, the opening, so that's good. Just a little background here or update. This car was Alan Murray's car. It's been sitting in the shop since about February last year. He unfortunately didn't get to come up and race it any this year. This is a 2021 Rocket XR1 with a round at the most 10 nights on it. So it's still pretty much like a brand new car. This car, the one we've been running, is a 2018 Rocket XR1 with about 100 nights on it. So this one's a lot newer with a lot fresher stuff on it. But it's supposed to be pretty much identical to this one is what we're hoping. The forecast for Saturday is looking very bleak and dismal. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, temperature just kept going up, no chance of rain. Now the high is supposed to be 48 with about a 90% chance of rain. If they race, we still plan on going, but we are going to play it by ear and make a decision on Friday night of what we think we're going to do, because we will have to be on the road by 9 o'clock Saturday morning to get there, because it's about a 3.5 hour drive for us. Also wanted to remind everybody, there is a link in the description. We still have hoodies and T-shirts for sale online from the place that made them. They still have several. We don't have very many on the truck, but if you are interested, you can click the link in the description below for Aggressive Graphics, and it'll take you to the site where you can buy them. So this is the motor that was in the car. It's a Clement Chevy 430. That motor is sold already. It's going to be staying here locally. So sold the motor, headers, oil system, because everything got different length hoses for the Ford stuff that Daryn likes. Probably going to have some other stuff for sale. We'll probably post on here in the next week or two. We got to go through it, figure out what we're going to get rid of and what we're going to keep. Looking at the gear chart here. On the PEM gears would be 65004A.
Tall guys put them in here. Shit, I can't even.
621 would be 18 and 23 on the teeth count. The 621 box empty.
No.
Give me the teeth count on it.
Shit.
18, 23. Yep, that's the 621.
Well, what the hell's in it then? That's what we run it. That's what we run at Grand Shitty. $602.
Yeah.
It's empty.
Yeah, I'd say that's probably what's in it. And we need to take the 621s with us over there, though.
Oh yeah, I take.
Because the 602 ain't gonna get it there.
No, we know that's what we run. Yeah,
Good thing we double checked. Well, upon further investigation, the gears we thought was in here are not. So now we're going to change gears. What'd you say, Jason?
Talking.
Oh. Should I send that picture to Daryn on them wheels?
Yeah.
Probably wouldn't be a bad idea, would it?
Nope.
What's up, Bill?
Hey,
Yeah.
give me a hammer out of there. Should be like the 4th drawer up. That, yeah.
Things go slowly. You're okay.
You're right, Jason. Those are the ones we ran at Teagley, and Dave and I made those cables, and I do remember taking and putting them on there because we thought if for some reason Murray don't get them back, we'll have it set up for another car. And we did tape it on there. I do remember it now.
Yep.
I was thinking it was the ones in this car, but this car was already done, so we didn't have to mess with it. Man, you put a third car in the bunch, I'm really fucked.
At least that's all I got.
That's why one's gonna go down the road, right?
That's all I got. I can't say anything else to And trust me, he ain't no different. He doesn't make the same mistakes. I'm just glad the lid works. I was a little worried about that.
Well, big gear always goes on top.
Big year old.
Uh-oh, the boss is calling. Laura.
Okay, that sounds good. All right.
Does Laura work here?
No.
What does she do?
My Laura?
Yeah.
No, she don't work here.
What does she do?
She's self-employed. She does touchstone jewelry sales and helps with the Humane Society and helps with, she does all kinds of things. I can't even keep up with it. What's the other name of it? For people that have mental disabilities. Yeah, it's for, NAMI something. It's for people that have mentally health issues that they can't fully function in society. She helps with that. My sister brought.
Yeah.
And the fact there's a time on the top of it.
I don't pay attention to that.
Set it on the ground.
Focus.
Take all the lids off.
I got it. Oh, you're taking it out of the out of the jug? No, you're putting it in the jug.
I don't know.
Let me go get Doug.
We will keep an eye on the weather, keep you updated on what's going to go on this weekend. You can stay updated on Daryn Klein Racing Facebook page. Also, thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment if there's something you want to see. I appreciate everybody that's been leaving comments. If you want to subscribe, you can click the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right-hand corner, and we will catch you back soon. If we are racing, I'll probably do a quick video Friday night when we plan on loading up and being ready to roll Saturday morning. See y'all later. Back to old school. Old school. And 15 minutes later, we're done. All right, you can turn that off.